Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2015 Audi A3. Particular A3, customer just picked it up pre-owned. It didn't come with Apple CarPlay, didn't come with a backup camera. So she came to us and we told her we'd make it happen. Fortunately, the dealership knew that we can do it. Went ahead and installed a reverse camera right here. It's in a factory location, right on the trunk lid. You barely even notice that it's there. Hop on the passenger side. So if you're familiar with the A3, it's got a pop-up screen right there. Right now, it's on the media screen, because that's the screen we need to keep it on when we want to see the CarPlay. I got a USB here in the armrest. And a CarPlay controller right here on the console. When I put the car in reverse, see that backup camera when you have those active lines. So that works flawlessly. If I go ahead and press and hold the button on the steering wheel, screen switches over, and now it's just waiting for me to plug in my phone. Plug my phone in. It'll sync up. Hit allow on my phone. And there we go. So, I have complete CarPlay control. I have maps, music, and messaging. The best part is I can do it all via voice. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
And that's how it works. Come down to Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York, and we can install this in your vehicle. Visit us on at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.